Welcome to Supercar Sense, your go-to channel for everything about modern supercars. If you love high-performance machines, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling speed, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we dive into the Ferrari 296 GTB, a masterpiece that blends electrification with Ferrari's signature performance. This hybrid supercar is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a staggering 819 horsepower. With this setup, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds, delivering breathtaking speed and agility. Ferrari has designed the 296 GTB to offer a perfect balance between efficiency and performance. The plug-in hybrid system allows for an electric-only range of about 25 kilometers, making it practical for short urban drives without compromising its racing DNA. The rear-wheel drive layout ensures an engaging driving experience, while the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission provides lightning-fast gear shifts. When it comes to design, the Ferrari 296 GTB stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic body inspired by classic Ferrari models. The compact dimensions, sculpted lines, and aggressive front fascia enhance both aesthetics and performance. The rear end features an active spoiler that optimizes downforce at high speeds, ensuring superior stability and handling. Step inside, and you are greeted with a driver-focused cockpit equipped with state-of-the-art digital displays and a minimalist design. The steering wheel integrates most controls, allowing for an immersive driving experience. The seats are crafted for comfort and support, making long drives enjoyable while maintaining a race-ready feel. Technology plays a key role in the 296 GTB, featuring advanced driving aids, adaptive suspension, and an innovative hybrid power management system. These features enhance control and efficiency, making it one of the most advanced Ferraris to date. If you are passionate about supercars, subscribe to Supercar Sense and stay tuned for more exciting reviews, comparisons, and in-depth looks at the latest in automotive excellence. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Ferrari 296 GTB.